Pag nakita mo tong si Francisville Townhomes, mapapaisip ka rin, tama ba presyo niyan? Yan din yung reaction ng isang buyer namin nung pinakita namin sa kanya tong Francisville Townhomes here in Mambugan, Lower Antipolo. Hindi talaga siya makapaniwala. Before kasi kami pumunta sa Francisville, we check a Hana. 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath townhouse for 7.2 million. Pumunta rin kami sa Country Villas. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath for 6.5 million during that time. Pero 7.2 million ang price as of June 1, 2026. And also checked Beacon Hill, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath na mas mura at 6.5 million. Yung 3 projects na yan, lahat sila Upper Antipolo. Lahat complete finishes, pero no cabinets. Then pumunta kami sa Francisville. And hindi talaga makapaniwala when we told him the price. Kasi nga naman, yung unit sa Francisville, 4 bedrooms instead of 3. Meron siyang room sa baba, which is sakto kasi may kasama siyang senior. Malaki din yung space sa likod for future expansion. Complete finishes din like the first 3 options, but comes with cabinets na. And yung location, mas accessible ha, kasi walking distance lang from Centro Mall, Sumulong, and just 10 minutes drive from SM Masinag and LRT2 Antipolo Station. RFO na nga pala si Francisville. TCP is 6,070,000 all in na yan. And here's the sample computation. By the way, ako nga pala si Broker Dan. Kung gusto mong makita si Francisville, we would be happy to assist you. Halika, tripping tayo.